is a versatile and stylish stroller designed for parents and babies on the go. It is suitable for infants and toddlers up to 50 pounds and features a reversible seat that can be positioned forward or backward. One of the main features of the Kiko Maisa stroller is its compact and lightweight design, make it easy to maneuver and store. The stroller is also designed.
Thank you to our moms here and their babies too. Thank you guys.
Let's go. Picture ka na. Picture ka na. Gusto mo na.
Adala.
To conceive, but until, alam mo yun, giving birth, to growing a child, to nourishing a child, parang grabe. Salute to all moms out there. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. And I'm so excited na ako naman na maka-experience lahat ng to.
And how far along are you?
I'm at 6 months.
6 months. Malapit na. Exciting times.
Malapit na.
Sabi nila yung 6 months, I don't know if the moms out here experience that too. This is a time that you start to nestle, ang tawag nila, or nesting, di ba? You start preparing yung mga baby stuff, the nursery. Nagsa-start na ba kayo ni Perry?
Yes, kasi parang siguro a few weeks ago, we found out already the gender of our baby.
Oh!
And it's a girl!
Congratulations!
Yeah, thank you! Yeah, I thought it was a boy because I was experiencing symptoms of a boy. Parang akala ko talaga, but then I was surprised. Girl siya!
No, but you're so pretty. Di ba sabi nila yun?
Totoo yun! Naka-makeup lang ako. Pero as a pregnant woman, I am also experiencing all the ups and downs of pregnancy. So when people tell me na ang blooming mo or ang ganda mo, ay nako, pare-pareho lang tayo. May mga araw din na haggard ako, may mga araw na hirap din ako. But of course, most days, happy and feeling blessed talaga.
Tsaka just,
Saka I was actually surprised also with the changes, not just in my life as a whole, pero emotionally, physically, mentally, ang daming nagbabago.
Totoo yan. Ako, one of the many things that I enjoyed then, although mahirap, because when I was pregnant, it was the lockdown. So, ang hirap mabili ng gamit. Unlike now, I'm sure you can shop, you can buy, you can even see it.
Sobra. Kaya the time when we found out the gender, parang we started buying mga baby clothes na. And then, nagtatanong na ako sa mga followers ko kung ano yung mga top essentials, yung mga priorities na kailangan bilhin.
Nag-search ka na ng mga no?
Oo, and then I realized, ang mamahal din pala ng mga baby products.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, it's my first time to shop for baby things. And sabi ko, from stroller to diapers, to feeding bottles, to everything. Sabi ko talaga nga namang mag-iipon ka talaga. Kailangan mong mag-ipon.
Yeah. So what are the things that you have already?
Ano ba mga meron na ako? Well, ako kasi gusto ko ang stroller ng Kiko.
Yeah. The Maisas. Nice, di ba?
Kasi gusto ko ng travel-friendly, magaan lang, and then at the same time, functional,
correct,
stylish, convenient sa baby, safe sa baby, and pwede pang travel, pwede rin heavy duty. So parang it's an all-in-one stroller na. So parang at first na parang sabi ko, ilan ba ang strollers na kailangan? Kasi sabi nila, one has to have a car seat, tapos yung isa dapat light lang. Pero nung nakita ko yung Mysa, the features of Mysa, sabi ko, what is enough na pala for a stroller?
Yeah, and it's something also that can grow with your baby. So, kung newborn pa lang siya, magagamit na niya, you just have to adjust it up until toddler years.
Yeah.
So, it's a good investment.
Reversible din siya, di ba?
Right.
Yes.
And you know what's nice about Kiko products? When they design, let's say, their strollers, or kanina nung pinag-uusapan namin ni Fabio, their car seats, they always have in mind yung needs talaga ng babies and the mommies. So like what you mentioned, the stroller, like the Mysa stroller, first of all, it's built for the comfort and the safety of the baby, but also having in mind na syempre ang magtutulak nun, yung mommy. So kailangan magaan siya, may malalagay ka ng mga gamit.
Nagulat nga ako, magaan siya. Saka I really appreciated na may storage siya sa ilalim.
Yeah.
Kasi ang dami daw gamit ng baby.
Correct.
Kailangan mo na ng talagang malaking storage kasi yung bag mo, hindi na kasya sa bag mo lahat.
That's
Parang
true.
yun
And, even if, let's say, punta lang kayo sa park, or you're gonna go to the mall, or somewhere else, pwede siya. And one push of a button, it folds, it's very compact, so very useful. You should have it.
Oo nga, sabi nga nila great investment ang stroller eh. Dapat talaga piliin mo ang stroller mo. So I'm happy that I found it sa Kiko.
Nice.
Saka hindi lang strollers, meron din sila mga feeding bottles.
Yes, it's actually here. They have their feeding essentials.
Yes.
Bottles, cleaners, or even the sterilizers. Yan ang isa sa mga sobrang gamit na gamit every single day.
Yun talaga ba?
Sterilizer.
Oo, nasa listahan ko na lahat yan. Pati may breast pump pa, di ba kailangan?
Right. So, for example, myself, when I would give presents or gifts sa mga friends ko na magiging nanay, laging top of mind ko, I would ask if they already have a sterilizer because I know that's going to be something really, really useful. Like every day. So yeah, all of it are here. So again, for those that are, looking out, mag-shopping na kayo because you're expecting, a baby soon.
Yes. At
It's a perfect one-stop shop.
Mga pang-hygiene, no?
True.
They have toys also and clothing.
Yeah.
Kasi I went to their branch in Greenbelt. There's so much that I wanted to buy. Nung pumunta ako, ang dami kong gustong bilhin. Pero sabi ng asawa ko, teka lang yung mga pang-newborn muna. Yun daw lang muna, bilhin ko. Sabi ko, sige. Pero na-excite ako every time. Nag-iba yung parang nag-iba yung priorities ko eh. Nag-iba rin yung mga shopping preferences ko.
Right. Because
Ngayon,
before,
it's no longer for me. It's all for the baby na.
right? No, because before, syempre you're busy with your job as an actress. And now, medyo mag-shift na the responsibilities. But you're still going to be very visible with especially content, di ba?
Ako naman, kasi super workaholic talaga ako yan, saka very independent ako. I still plan to go back to work after giving birth. But of course, my top priority is growing and nourishing the child,
Nice.
the kid. So, kung kailangan ako ng baby ko, yun ang magiging priority ko.
And with that being said, your family from Kiko is going to make sure that your parenting journey along with Perry is going to be so much easier. A big hand please for Chris Bernal. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day din po sa lahat ng mommy. You deserve all the love and happiness and you deserve to be celebrated every day.
Tama. So again, palakpakan naman natin this beautiful mama over here. And early congratulations. And I'm sure magkikita tayo in a lot of the events that are to come.
Pero 3 more months to go. Excited na ako to carry my baby and I'm excited to see kung sinong kamukha niya, ako ba or si Perry. Actually, my husband is there, super supportive.
Aabangan natin yun.
Pero thank you. Gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa akin sa social media pages ko. Alam mo yun, kasi this time talaga, we get so emotional kasi of our, hormonal imbalances. So parang I just want to thank everyone who's supporting me through this journey.
We got you. You're a member of the Mama Club now, so tulog-tulog tayo dyan. And that's a pretty good and a pretty strong, kumbaga, group of women that is always going to be behind you. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Chris Bernal. And with that being said, we want to thank everyone that has joined us for Ready, Safe, Go. For Fabio Ide kanina, maraming salamat. Miss Liza Yao, thank you so much for having us. Smart Parenting and our mommy influencers, thank you for joining us today. And most importantly, everyone na sumama sa